Now I'm going to get started on a toasted coconut cake. So I'm using 2 3/4 cup sifted flour here, and I'm using cake flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a little whisk. Get started on my wet ingredients. 1 stick of softened butter and a half a cup of coconut oil. I'm looking for a fluffy consistency. Now I'm going to add some cream of coconut, and it's actually what you make pina coladas with. 4 egg yolks, vanilla extract, about 2 capfuls. Make sure this is fully incorporated. I'm going to alternate between the flour and the buttermilk. Now I'm going to fold in the egg whites. Divide the batter between 2 8-inch cake pans. I'm definitely smelling that coconut. Those look great. I got my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to bake it for about 25 to 35 minutes. Coconut is going to be infused in this icing too. 10 tablespoons of softened butter, 1.5 packages of softened cream cheese. It's important to make sure that the base of your cream cheese frosting is really flexible. You see? Nice and fluffy. Capful of coconut extract. Gotta add the sugar. 5 cups total. Now I'm really just smoothing it out by myself, kind of make some ripple waves in there. The second layer on top, and work my way down into the sides. Just smoothing around, making little ripples. You gotta make sure that your icing is not too soft or it will slide. Don't need too much on here because we're gonna put the toasted coconut on there. Toasting really brings out that coconut flavor. That cake is done.